Imagine you're clicking and watching a YouTube video, and in 30 seconds of watching, you earn money. It's totally insane, right? I just want you to look at all of these YouTube videos right here, and if you watch them for 30 seconds, you'll be paid. Here are a few examples of payment proofs. They're actually just pages and pages of real payment evidence. As you can see here, $10, $5, $14. Now I'm ecstatic to share with you these 5 incredible websites where you may earn money simply by watching YouTube videos. So, here's how much money you can make from this. You can earn about $18 per hour if you start with just one video website and $50 per hour if you work on 3. Working on 5 different websites to watch videos might pay up to $130 per hour. As a result, it'll be essential for you to watch until the conclusion and learn about all 5 of these websites in order to maximize your revenue. Please don't worry, all of these websites are completely legitimate and completely free to join. It's also available all around the world. Also, don't forget that I'll give you a special additional tip that will allow you to earn twice as much money as other individuals. As a result, make sure you stick around and watch the entire video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. If you go to YouTube, you can find many videos to watch. In this video, I will show you how to earn those videos by watching them with the help of these 5 different websites. For example, when you type the keyword winter travel into the search bar, you'll be able to uncover a variety of videos that you may view as usual. I'd like to show you 5 websites where you can watch easy YouTube videos like the one you see right now. You might be making a lot of money online like all of these guys from different nations. So stay tuned and learn about all of these 5 websites before you try them out for yourself. Ucubes.com is the first website I'd like to show you today. They have around 750,000 members and have been in operation since 2007. As a result, you can earn money online by visiting various websites, taking surveys, and most significantly, watching videos. Across 20,000 payments have already been handed out to people from all over the world. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this sign up button right here. Now, you'll proceed to this website where you may see sign up. It's free. All you need to do on this page is enter your email, password, full name, username. And for gender, just click on this drop-down arrow right here and select. Below that, choose your birthday. For the country, just choose where you belong. As you can see, this will prove that this website is accessible around the globe. For this question right here, how did you hear? Just enter YouTube. Have a click on CAPTCHA right here and click on register right here. From there, all you have to do is watch a simple YouTube video like this for 30 seconds and perhaps 60 seconds. A 30-second video is now valued less money, while a 60-second video is paid more. Now, I usually just mute the video because I normally just let it play in the background without actually watching it. To do that, just simply click on this icon right here. So there's a good tip there that you could use as well. I normally just open a bunch of tabs. You can essentially make more money in a shorter amount of time by doing so. And one of the things that I do is that I utilize both my phone and computer to view different videos, which might help me earn more quickly. So, from there, I'd want to share a few YouTube techniques that will help you view the video faster. To do so, just go to the setting button right here and simply click this one. Doing so, this will appear. Just click on the playback speed. As you can see, you can actually play the videos faster. You can double the speed if you want. For this technique, just click on 2 to double the speed. Now, instead of watching the 60-second video, you can watch it within 30 seconds. It's literally insane, right? The other thing that you can modify in the settings is the quality right here. If I click on this, it shows that it was on auto quality. All you need to do is click on the lowest available quality. This trick will help the video to load fast. It's also very applicable if you have a not so good internet connection. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The second website that you can use in order to earn more money by watching YouTube videos is boxinside.com. As you can see, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's one of the things I like about this website. You can just view a brief video for 10 seconds and get paid. Another feature I enjoy about this platform is that you may pay out immediately whenever you hit the $2 limit. They really display you the most recent 250 payments that they give out to customers all across the world on their website. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world. Take a look at all of the locations they currently cover, and they're expanding every day. They're quite open about all of the payments that they make to individuals. Here, you can view all of the usernames as well as the flags of their respective countries. You can see all of their revenues in US dollars, as well as all of their payment options, such as RTM, PayPal, and Payoneer. Just take a look at this one right here. He was earning hundreds of dollars by watching videos. It's really amazing. For you to create your brand new account, just click on Register right here. Doing so, you will be redirected to this page right here, wherein you will enter your personal details. Enter your username, login, or payment email. Just confirm it here. And for your referral, you may leave it blank. For currency, just choose the currency in your country. And for payment methods, just choose from PayPal, ADV Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and RTM. Enter your birth year right here. Answer this one, have a click on this, and click on Register right over here. Next, we'll proceed to fusioncash.net, which is the third website. One amazing tip I'd like to share with you is that they will be paying you by signing up for a free account. As you can see, they offer a $5 sign-up bonus that is completely free just for registering for a free account. All you have to do now is click on the button that reads Get $5 and you'll be able to create a free account. Just enter all your details right here and you're good to go. Keep in mind that you must validate your email address by looking for the verification link in your inbox. After you sign up for a free account, you may begin earning money by watching various videos. So let's go on the next website, which is irazu.com. Once again, this is a legitimate company where you may receive free gift cards in the form of cash. They've also been awarding cash prizes to all of their members right on their website. They've also been featured on Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Harder, and The Wall Street Journal. In general, this is how it works. You may join this website for free and begin watching videos and earning points, then convert into real money, such as cash rewards and PayPal money. You may earn money by watching videos on the internet, earn easy points by watching engaging videos. From there, in order for us to create an account, just click Get Started right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page right here. Just fill in all your details and click on Create Account. The last website that we will be using is appnana.com. AppNana is a free app that you may get for your iPhone or Android phone. For example, if you're an Android user, you may search for AppNana free gift card on the Google Play Store. After that, you should be able to find a logo that looks somewhat like this. And here, you may earn gift cards and cash by just watching videos. So, this is a free app where we can view different videos and earn nanas, which can be converted into real money or gift cards. Take a look at the reviews. They have an average of around 500,000 reviews and a rating of 4.2 stars, which is fairly impressive for an app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.